My hair was looking a mess. Say yes. So yeah, we just got to my friend's house and morning guys, let me clean my lens. Good morning. Today is Easter Monday and I've been trying to Yomi's birthday. Today is 1st of April and Yomi's birthday is on the 12th. So I'm just trying to basically do like a home shoot for him. Let me show you guys the preparation I've done so far. I just see one corner of my house, Sha. Let me show you where the lights, where the charger. Let me show you guys. I'm trying to set up my lights and that's it. Something little. Wait the boy, go there. Yay! You like it? You like it? You like it? I say cheese, cheese. Come here, so. Cheese. Cheese. Why the TV no dey on? Oh my eyes! My baby's getting ready for his Daddy. Daddy. Say daddy. 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 Where the wire? Baby. Say yes.
I did though. You did say I said. Yes.
What is what? Let me carry you. I did it. Oh, so I did it. I did it. You guys, something bad happened to me. And it's mostly about Abuja friendship. And I've told myself that I'm going to do like a full video addressing the facts why I don't have friends and why I'm never going to have friends again in my life. I will definitely have acquaintances. I would have friends, but it can never be me putting so much interest in the friendship. That's just how it's going to be. I'm just going to have my boundaries and I'll never cross it. Something drastically bad happened to me. People are very bad and mean. I would never, let me never say I would never forgive this person because I'm not God. But I will leave this person to continue going around, tarnishing my image, saying things that I did not say, just to gain the public to her side, you understand, and to label me bad, to defame me basically, because actually this is defamation, saying things I did not say just because you want people to see me as a bad person, which I'm not. It's irrelevant to me because I know that all the things that the person has been blabbing and talking about, I didn't say it. I know what I say, and anything I say, I own up to it. If I don't say it, there's no way I can ever in this life own up to it. No wahala. One day, I shall do a video addressing everything and how this person came to hurt people's family, thinking they're hurting me. Yeah, so that's the update. So guys, we are actually stepping out now. Say hi. Did they say hi? See your meat. Your meat. Hello, where is it? They play. Just they play. They say she be one where she go to sleep, they close eye a bit. So yeah, we just got to my friend's house and we are chilling. Everybody say hi. Hi. You say hi. Oh my god. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Say 3. Say 3. 3. You're trying to do 3. 3. Hip hip hip. Hip hip hip. Hip hip hip. I love you. Say I love you too. Bye. You guys, I'm just coming from where I went to weave my hair. My hair was looking a mess and I needed to weave it. And now there's this oil stuff that I saw a lot of people using on TikTok and the rest. So I want to try it on my hair. I don't know. I think you guys remember something like when I was talking about this. So it's basically soaked herbs, fenugreek, rosemary, cloves, coconut oil, and the rest of it. So that's what I want to use and try to grow my hair. I'm eating a scotch egg, by the way. Scotch donut. I mean, what do they call scotch egg roll? So that's what I'm doing on my hair now. Let's get busy. Get busy with me. I just use the container for my skincare products. I love this smell. It's really nice. So this is what I'll be doing every day. Every day. When I remember, as much as I can remember, I'll use it. So I'll let that sit in and dissolve.